Hello guys, today Dubstechnology Present. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I need your support to grow up this channel. Back to the topic. So, the Oppo R15 looks like another Android phone trying to go the iPhone route. New leaked images of the device reveal that R15 will have a nearly bezel-less design, but with a notch on the top. The notch on the Oppo R15 does look to house the front-facing camera and the earpiece. However, it doesn't look like it will have any of the hardware similar to what the notch on the iPhone houses. The company has stuck to its older design for the back of the smartphone. In fact, it resembles the Oppo R11s. A recent rumor speculated that Android P might natively support the notch. Therefore, there have been speculations that the upcoming Google Pixel 3 and the Google Pixel 3 XL might come with a notch with the iPhone X-like Face ID setup. Specifications: the Oppo R15 is expected to feature a 5.8-inch QHD Plus OLED display with 19:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the smartphone might be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 Oct-core chipset with 6GB RAM and 64GB storage. The device might come with the dual camera setup with a primary RGB lens and a secondary telephoto lens. For the front-facing camera, the smartphone might offer high-resolution 200MP camera with features like Animoji and Face Unlock. While the iPhone X was met with skepticism, it has since then become a fan favorite. However, smartphones like the Huawei P20 Lite, P20 and P20 Plus are expected to be launched with an iPhone X-like notch as well. It begs the question, is the display notch the answer to the design problems of future completely bezel-less smartphones? Thanks for watching. So always stay tuned with new videos from my channel. Let's subscribe and share, my friends. Cause you all the best.